Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a WhatsApp backup on OPPO K10x. Alright, so we need to open up our WhatsApp. Once we are here, we need to click on those three dots in the top right corner and now click on the settings. Now we need to find the chats, scroll down a little and click on the chat backup. And now let's begin with discussing a few things. Let's begin with the Google account. Currently, in my case, this Google account is selected, and that's the account on which the backup will be stored, in the cloud of course. So for example, if you want to restore that chats in the future, you'll need to be logged into the same Google account that you can see right in here. Also, if you don't know how to restore a WhatsApp backup, on our channel there's a video where I'm showing you how to do it, so if you want you can look for it. So remember about it and don't forget password to this account. Below we have the automatic backups. Defaultly this option is set on off, but we have modes such as daily, weekly, monthly or only WhatsApp backup. Currently I set it on the monthly, which means that each month the backup will be automatically made and I don't need to remember about making it, so it's really comfortable and convenient feature. So if you want you can pick between one of those modes. We can also enable to include the videos in our backup, pretty useful, and below we have the end-to-end encrypted backup. If you choose to create it, in here you can create a unique password that you will need to type in the future if you want to restore your chats, but be aware that if you forget that password, you won't be able to restore the chats. So if you choose to create it, simply don't forget it. Okay, make sure that also you have some free Google storage space right in here, and now hit the backup button. Now the process will start. In my case it's not going to take long because I don't have many messages. Of course everything depends of your message, and everything now went fine. We can see when the last backup was made and it was like 2 seconds ago, and below we can also see its size. Okay, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.